Vijender Gupta from the BJP is leading in Rohini. That's the information that we are getting. Right now, BJP is leading on 2 seats, Aam Aadmi Party on 1 seat. Out of the 2 seats that the BJP is leading in, Rohini is the constituency where votes are pouring in more numbers, in greater numbers than for the Aam Aadmi Party candidate. Vijender Gupta is the one who is contesting against the Aam Aadmi Party candidate from Rohini. That's the latest. Burari, on the other hand, contrast where Aam Aadmi Party is leading is what the information that we are getting from the counting centers that are at this point of time in a flurry, counting the votes, results that are going to be announced later in the day today. Joining me on the telecast is Mendi. Mendi, what's happening on the ground? We are already getting early trends. 7 of these seats where a trend is being, the early trend comes out to be that Aam Aadmi Party right now is leading on 4 of those seats. BJP is leading on 3 of those seats.
Well, indeed, Megha, we are on ground. We are at Delhi BJP office right now, and the preparations are all set because after the exit polls have come out, the BJP is very confident right now. And if we talk about the early trends as well, then yes, Rohini is one of the seats from where Vijender Gupta, the BJP candidate, and also the leader of opposition, is contesting the elections against the Aam Aadmi Party candidate, and he is leading from Rohini seat as of now. But if we talk about the Delhi BJP's situation, the state office's situations, then you can see that, you know, the decorations have all been done. The cutouts have been put out, and you know, one of the major mottos that the Bharatiya Janata Party took out in these elections was "Ab nahi sahenge, badal ke rahenge." So all the cutouts have been put out in the you know, state office right now. Here's the Prime Minister's cutout, and National President JP Nadda's cutout has also been placed in the BJP office. But apart from that, Megha, it is very important to see that the issues that were raised by the Bharatiya Janata Party are all on this board. We can have an understanding that what all issues BJP took out in these particular elections from the last 2 months. We can say you can